Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best house discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you have to search for house discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Coupon Follow. And as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, right here that you want to get this one with 10% discount. All you need to do is just select the button where it says show coupon code. And this is our promo code right here. We can simply copy the promo code from this button and you can apply it on your next purchase so that you can get a 10% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Simply Codes. And right here, as you can see, we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, that you want to get this one with $40 discount right here. All you need to do is select the button where it says view code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap on the button to copy the promo code and you can apply it on your next purchase so that you can get a $40 discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.